Okay guys, so after creating contact us section, we will create this book a call section. So to create it, go to your page. Here first of all I will add a new section. Select a regular section. Now before adding a row, go to section settings. Here in background, first of all I will change the background color to blue. Now click on the stick button, click on this plus button and add a single column row. Now go to the settings of row. Again, now go to the settings of column. Go to advanced custom CSS and here add this CSS code. You can find this CSS code in the description below. Now click on the stick button, again click on this stick button and add a module. I will add a text module. Now here I will add text. Now I will select HTML tag of H3. Here the text was appearing. Now go to design, heading, go to H3. Here I will change the fonts to Roboto. Now I will make it underlined and change the text color to white. Now I will make it 28 pixels and line height to 1.3 em. Now I will go to sizing. I will make it maximum width to 70%. Now I will go to spacing and here I will add 0 pixels of bottom margin and 30 pixels to the right. Now I'm done with this section. So I will click on the stick button, hover over here, click on this plus button and add a button module. Now here I will add text book a call. Now go to design and directly go to button settings. Enable button settings. Here first of all I will change the button text size to 16 pixels and I will make text color to blue. Now scroll down. I will change button background color to white and button border color to white. Now scroll down. Here you have icons section. I will select this icon and enable show only on hover. Now scroll down, go to spacing. Here I will add 7 pixels of top and bottom padding, 25 pixels to the left and 45 pixels to the right. Now go back to button settings, scroll down and disable this show only on hover. Now the image was appear. Now the icon appear front of your text. Now scroll down, go to the animation, add slide animation and change its direction to the left side. Now it's done. Click on the stick button, click on these 3 dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the end of the page. Here you can see I have successfully added this book a call section. Now the page was fully completed. In next video I will create this footer. So keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create a full page website using Divi. Thanks for watching.